Do you love adventure? Then you should definitely try this amazing river rafting in India's adventure capital, Rishikesh. Jumping into such cold water and floating back with that guide rowing boat. Oh my god, it gives me goosebumps even now. Let's get to Himalayas. Here is some beautiful visuals from Rupin Pass trek. After the summit, sliding down on the snow was such a memorable moment. Then we got snowfall, which was icing on the cake. Let's enjoy a monsoon trek. I'm still shivering thinking of these ice-cold stream water crossings by holding hands and shouting to our fullest. It's time for a snow trek. We are camping on top of the snow carpet. Having been to so much heights, let's go and explore sea life now. Doing scuba diving and snorkeling underwater world in Andaman was really a magical experience. This is Karnataka's famous Shivanasamudra Falls. Take a government stay nearby and enjoy the falls at its glory in the evening or morning when all the day crowd is gone. Make sure to add nearby Talakkad, BR Hills and Kegudi to make it an awesome 2 to 3 days trip. Seeing the much awaited big tiger so closely, that too in an open forest, was so much exciting. Rajasthan's mighty UNESCO heritage forts, ancient temples and sparkling palaces has lots of historic tales to share with us. Sunrise camel safari and jeep safari in Jaisalmer was a nice and unique experience. Kodaikanal's natural beauty and mesmerizing fogs will always refresh our minds. Let's go for a Europe trip now. Switzerland welcomes us with such beautiful landscapes. An amazing mountain coaster bike ride through the Green Valley with Swiss Alps painting the background. Cable car rides with such breathtaking aerial views. Enjoy the majestic 360-degree view from Mount Rigi top. While coming down in cable car, we will be treated with this visual which showcases Switzerland's unparalleled natural beauty. Swiss train rides are really mind-blowing. Let's get to Shilton Top, where 1969 James Bond movie On Her Majesty's Secret Service was shot. In the intermediate Berg station, there is an exciting skywalk experience waiting for you. While walking through this beautiful Vinegar Gorge in Slovenia, we can feel the nature very closely. Are you crazy about bike trips? A ride through Virsik Pass is like a biker's dream. Make sure to add it to your bucket list.
You're watching Well Planned Trip. We are in Slovenia in this beast. Enjoy the sceneries and enjoy the bike trip.
Soka Valley in Slovenia. The famous movie Chronicles of Narnia Prince Caspian was shot here. River rafting through the crystal clear water of Soka River and the scenic background was a fascinating and colorful experience. Sliding down with streams through the canyons, it turned out to be my best adventure experience. How about waking up to such amazing sceneries? In Kranjska we stayed here. Let's explore some wonderful national parks in Croatia. Plitvice National Park, Krka National Park. Let's go on an island tour in speedboat from Split. We can explore some interesting caves and islands in this tour. We were so curious to experience the sea glittering in blue color with the sunlight. Spend some good time swimming and snorkeling in clear water. Gondola ride through the canals of Venice was beautiful and romantic. Do you want to experience all these places once the COVID is gone and traveling is safe? Here is a YouTube channel for you to plan your best trips. Please subscribe and share. All detailed planning information is available in wellplannedtrip.com. From ticket booking, detailed day-by-day itinerary, budget, best stay options with 8+ reviews in booking.com where I personally stayed, best commute options, best activities, very useful tips which I got during traveling, and much more.